Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Friday, June 26th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today, the first trade we had was an RS trade. I identified this circle as a very, very crucial area to get through. I said take your trade up, make sure you get risk-free after a point, 3 ticks, depending on what price you got. I was very specific. I said if you got filled at 20.95.75, take a point. In fact, take more off at a point if you had more than 2. Leave a runner, go -1 point, and if you got 20.95.50, since everything can always be taken within 1 tick of what I call, I said very specifically if you got 20.95.50, you must be risk-free down here into this circle. So 3 ticks, get risk-free, and we'll see if it follows through. The reason I wanted people to take more off here was because this was a brutal area here, and if they got below this area, now again, this is what, when the market was here, okay, this is what I did. Okay, this is exactly what I did. Okay, so basically what happened was we got our point, okay, and it was basically either a break even if you had 2, anything more than 2 you had most off at a point, and we were waiting to add down here, which never actually happened till later on in the morning, but after the room closed. So small little trade there up to a point, possibly a break even. Market then shot up. Okay, I identified another long. We got long, and actually, I called the price at 20.99.50 to get long. And what I said was originally here was if we get above 99.50, try to get long at 8.25. And obviously that would have been the right thing to do. When it actually happened, I called off the trade there and said wait for it to go back up to 99.50 and then get long. So we did that again, got another point, but I wish I would have stuck with my original plan. Just decided to change things. Sometimes that happens. Hindsight's always 20/20. So it would have yielded another point, but again, there was no follow through. I identified this line here as a very crucial area for them to close above. The market had to get above this area, and I said we could possibly see 2102, possibly even 2105. We did get above it here, but not once did we ever close above that line, and that was really the problem. So again, no follow through there. Market came down. This blue dot represented a ZL long. Again, we did not take it. Should have. That's the only thing I really wish we would have done. And again, bounced around. Again, I wanted to see when the market came down here if they can get below this circle. I called an understanding trade, and we were short from 20.94.75, 20.94.50 area. Again, same thing over here. I said take more off at a point. If they're going to get below here, close negative on the day, possibly it would follow through, so take more off and we would get short somewhere down here. Never happened again, made a point. Market came back up. We did get short here on a ZL. There was an opportunity to get short right after this doji here at 20.97.25. Okay, again, we took the profits off. Again, said that this time it's probably going to come down. We ran out of time. The room closed right here. So we got up to 3 points, and then the room closed right in this area. I told everybody if they want to hold it, that's fine. 3 points is really all I can count anyway because the room's closed. If you look what happened here, did close down here below the circle, okay, below the circle. Okay, and it was lights out from there. In fact, the price I called down here, I said if it got negative, was actually pretty much the low of the day. 20.87.50 was actually what I called. I said it could go down to 6.50. It's our playground area, and that's exactly where it went to. We were not still in this because it was lunch. So somebody held on. They held on great. Have no idea for how long or who did it, but 3 points while we were in the room. So that was the best trade pretty much of the morning. 4 trades, all of them were either winners or break evens, depending on how many contracts people traded and how they managed it. So we're going to come back again and do it all over again on Monday. And until then, guys, you have a great day and a great weekend.